Always wait the gift for their children. I listen to my grandmother. Daughter, whatever
May call on Dr. Arthur Dimas, who wants to give a special message for our
It is really an honor for me to be here, to be present in Laika's most memorable moment in his life. Ipanunod ko na si Laika is very expecting for this moment. Naghandol din siya ni, in fact, he has been preparing for this time, for this celebration. And Laika excited. And this is really an exciting moment, especially that Laika is the baby that we have been so fond of has now become a baby. Sometimes in her mind na ang transition niya from being a baby, being a little girl, and becoming a lady, that's how we should have raised in a bully. And I know of that because I've been part of that life. Also, I have not been so profound in my role in being like a Papa Bay. I have been like a only Papa Bay. And I know there's a different reason for that. Laika is now a lady. But I know Laika will be forming her own life in this Atom Society. In fact, an Atom celebration to the goal is an statement for Laika that she wanted to be in her own now. Gusto na sa Laika na nangyay po kalimong life. And for that, perhaps kami ng mga parents ni Laika is in good position to give him some advices. And for Laika, nakakasamay mong panganday sa kinabuhi. And I hope you will go on trying and achieve your dream. So I know, matapos na nito because you are a good girl, a good baby kanyato. I know you're a good girl, a wife, lady, and a very pugihan na lady. I know you will go, you could be in some way feel part of that dream. Pagkakot ang Diyos life and lingon sa ako anak na ano yung pinuli. Ayaw kayo pa father sa mga no? Sa father. Don't make it something that will hinder yourself, but rather an inspiration for you. Don't take your dream. Happy birthday and I hope for everything na mahal natin. Happy birthday.
for that very inspiring speech. Here's a special message for our listeners.
Mayroong gabi kanina. Karoon sa gabi yun, ha? Karoon ni Laika sa isang birthday niya. Ako, malipayan tayo na nakakuhan na po na ito. Kapag itlapon sa na ikaw na ito sa kalando mo sa Inapunta na ang yun ko ang
Gago.
na hindi siya masalaat sa iyang pagkandoy na mahimot siyang pupuntan niya
Turut lang video. Kanina lang.
makuha niya ang iyang
Hindi mo po na masin sa'yo, eh.
posisyon na iyang pagkandoy.
Hindi lang.
Hindi
Sa siringot ka lang.
tanan na pinikanan bisan sa ninyo na mga anak inyong gimaymayan na tinautod na dili ka mo masalaan. Kaya tinaot karong mga panahon na lisod kayo ang paggastos sa pagkakoy lang. O ka na nga atong lumdumon na ang atong mga kadalakahan dili o dili na sila kasi atong karong pinamanglan ng bayan kay ano po ang gastos sa matalo sa kapamilya. Ito ka na. O sila ka maalamon na utal na bata. O tinuod na